Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in ADP account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your ADP account in a web browser by typing in the URL www.online.adp.com. Once you type this URL in, you will be redirected to this interface where all you need to do is simply type in your credentials like your user ID, and once you have typed in your user ID, you can simply tap on the next button and then type in your password and hit the sign in button to get logged in. However, if you get a service error, then simply load your page again or reload it from a next website. If you have forgotten your password, tap on forgot password to reset it as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.